check out now here at the Cafe Golden. What's the name of this?
Cafe de Oro.
Next at Barber's Resort. We are now here at Babangonan, going to the resort. The resort is all the way there. We really need to rent a motorbike because it's hard to commute here, you know, and it's hot pa. Bibili tayong bigas dito. Wait lang. Ayan ang, yan ang presyo ng bigas ngayon. Okay, ayan, sa Dali. Magsusupermarket kami dito sa Dali dahil wala kaming pagkain. Pwede naman daw magluto. We can cook in a resort that we're gonna stay in. They already check in there. Dalawa is colorful. Tingnan mo, they have a colorful egg here. Ang galing naman. So you're the one that gonna choose your egg here. Oh, ganyan. $6.75. Ito yung mga price ng egg. Right, a very tiny road going to Barber's Resort. Let's see what's inside. May ang dami pang lote rito, oh. Ayan, this is their resort. Looks nice, no?
Kwarto namin, ang laki. Kaya nung kung pwede kami din sa
they have a church there.
Kaso bawal.
Ano sabi mo?
Kaya nung kung pwede tayo sa katulad ng kwarto niyo.
Kasi ang laki ng how much is your How much is your room? For 2,500? 2,500 I think. 4,000. Let's see later. Nagugutom na ako. So, ayan yung mga pinabili namin. Ayan, dito.
Ako, ito total.
So, by the looks of it, it's a nice lake. May kiddie pool. Oh, the kiddie can swim here, there. There's something here. I saw something in here. Oh, look. What is this? In this tree? What was that? Oh, what's this? What's this tree? I don't know what it is. This one is different color already. Oh, look. And then one near the floor. What is that? Oh, look. What is this fruit? I don't know. Oh, yung galing naman.
No, cherry coffee.
Wow, nice weather. Malalim po dyan? Malalim po yan?
Dito malalim.
Okay. Pero abot naman ng mga bata.
4 na anak.
Wow.
It's so hot. It's nice to dive in the pool. Here.
What's the fuck am I looking at? Oh my god. It's so
So it's already, what time is it? There is no electricity here. I know they have what you call this, generator, but still they also saving 6:06 in the afternoon. So we just finished swimming in the pool and there's no electricity. Hello, Froggy. So here is the barber's resort here, because they don't have a generator. They have a generator but it's not working at the so we secure ourselves to move to a reliable hotel here in Calapan. So now we're waiting for my son to pick up us and go to where they found a new hotel in Calapan. Time check, nearly 10 o'clock in the night. So we just noticed this road is new, looks new, but look, they don't design it with the pavement. Where's the people gonna walk? What do you think? If it is full of houses there, where they gonna walk? This one is blocking the, if there's a pavement, they're blocking it. Oh, why don't design it properly na? Oh my God. It's 10 evening, no one on the road, only us. Going to Calapan from Babangonan, Victoria. No, it's Tamaraw daw pala yan. It's Tamaraw.
It looks like a
Ay,
giraffe
ulit
from
ako.
afar. Can be a dragon as well.
Duncan! There! Oh. Wendy's Calapan. Wendy's Calapan, Mindoro. Really? The Wendy's is closed already. So we end up in 7-Eleven. There. And 7-Eleven there. The back. City Hall. Calapan City. May mga karinderya pala rito. There's a lot of eatery here. I can survive in here.
There.
To the left. Hotel. So this is it. And so my mom and my sister here. Look, this is. So ito yung CR nila. Uy, ang ganda ng CR, in fairness. Yung CR maluwag, as in you can take a shower properly here. The only downside is the steps for my mom, because she cannot it's hard for her. Kasi sa amin, ito yung room namin. Ayan, ito yung room namin. Same as the other room. Oh, pagpasok, there's a table here, and here is my lab there. Oh, nice na the decoration. They have a decent toilet, Duncan. Oh, it's a proper shower, Errol. Ano ba yan? Meron palang ano. Oh, look, that's the entrance of McDonald's there. That's the entrance. So here is the view here. Meron palang mga steps here. There's more upstairs. Okay, let's go down here. Out my son's family, where they are staying. Wildon? Wildon? Niloko mo ko. Sabi niya, nilagay niya doon yung bag. Akala ko doon siya. Visit ka. Pero ano, maganda yung banyo. Tingnan ko yung banyo niya.
Ito, tignan mo.
Ay, mas maganda banyo namin.
May hidden door po.
Kung ano yung secret door namin.
Meron?
Kaya nga, kung tignan mo lang, yung pintuan.
Kaya nga lang po nakita ko pero di pa siya
Eh, ano minakay ng tao?
gago.
Oh, meron silang secret door.
Baka mo, buka mo. Buka mo.
Pag may tao.
Hindi na, buksan mo nga.
Oh, wait lang. Anuhin mo. Pag ako natawa sila sa akin, ha?
Nakabila.
Ano yan? May parang balcony.
Hindi, may kitchen.
Ay, oh, Wildon, pwede ka mag-kitchen dito. Wala namang daanan, eh.
May kitchen po.
Ay, oo. Walang naman pwedeng dumaan dito, Wildon. Walang pwedeng dumaan. Walang pinto. You can use it.